Hey, what's going on, everyone out there? I just want to come and give my personal testimony on how these amazing services changed my life and put me in a better position to be able to do whatever I want to do. When I got started, I had a 478 credit score, kicked out of school, over $40,000 worth of student loans. This company was able to help me get over 40K of student loans deleted from my credit report, along with many other items. It's about medical bills, utility bills, and it's just been a game changer and a life changer for me. I also want like when you think about it, growing up, I wasn't taught anything. I wasn't taught anything about financial literacy, and this company, like in this services, it helps so much, right? One of the services that I love so much outside of the credit restoration and getting my credit in order is the fact that I have access to a credit builder where the company actually showed me how to build and maintain a high credit score. You know, once they tackled those student loans and got those things deleted, I actually had access to go see how to maintain, to see how to increase my score. And that led me to here now where my score has increased over 200 points while being a member of the protection plan and utilizing the services. The Score Master within the Smart Credit app. Listen, that Smart Credit app showed me so much, and I learned so much from that Smart Credit app. But they have a tool inside it called Score Master, right? So with the Score Master, I looked at my credit cards, and on one of my credit cards, I was able to see if I slid it over to show the amount, as if, for example, if I want to pay $100 on the credit card to get the limit down, I can see that my score would increase an additional 50 points if I paid 100. So one day I was like, you know what? Let me see something. So I increased the slider up to $400, and they say my score increased an additional 150 points. And I'm like, wait, like it's nothing out here that's doing that. Like it's nothing out here that's actually showing me how I can increase my score. It's amazing. On top of that, the identity theft protection, because when my score was 478, no one was checking for me. No one was looking to steal my identity or nothing like that. When my score increased, I got an alert from Chase. In the middle of the night while I'm watching TV with my family, I get an alert from Chase saying, hey, someone's trying to open up an account. Was this you? And with the identity theft protection, I hit no. That following morning, bright early in the morning, it's like soon as Chase opens, as soon as everything opened, I got a phone call saying, hey, Mr. Goss, was this you who trying to access this? Could you verify your information? And once I verified my information, they stopped the accounts. Not one account. Accounts, plural, people. They stopped the accounts. Someone was trying to make an attempt to open up 7 accounts in my name. So all of those inquiries, they say, hey, listen, Mr. Goss, we go take care of those inquiries. You don't have to worry about it. And they put a freeze on everything. So I'm able to get my credit score to increase over 200 points. I'm able to look how to build and add value to my credit standing, as well as I get the identity theft protection, because now I understand that once my score go up, now I'm become a target. Listen, once everyone in here score go up, people gonna start checking for you. They gonna start checking for you, and you want to be in the best position to be able to handle it. You want to be in the best position to be able to handle it, because what happens is you don't want to go purchase a house. You don't want to go purchase a new vehicle. And then when you get there, you hit with identity theft. All that hard work that you put into it goes straight down the drain. So with identity theft being one of the services, it's a blessing, right? You want to become credit worthy. And once I understood that, it's like, man, this company has put me in a position to be credit worthy. is put me in a position where I could go get a vehicle and drive off the lot with the vehicle I want, not with the vehicle that the salesman is going to put me in. I want. Right? You want to be credit worthy, so credit worthy where you walk into the car lot, where you go get your new home, where they say, hey, listen, just sign. You have excellent credit. You don't have to worry about nothing. Hey, go to paperwork. Hey, listen, we're going to take care of everything. Right? I mean, there was a point in time where I went to the dealership and they didn't offer you anything. Once you get your credit up, go into the dealership, get your car. They can offer you coffee, water, Sprite, 7-Up, whatever you want. They gonna give you whatever you want. It's like you get treated with royalty, and this services has established that. Like I'm so forever grateful and so blessed. Even the fact to even get over $40,000 worth of student loans deleted from my credit report. You know, we hear so many times and people tell me student loans can't be deleted. Student loans can't be this. Student loans be that. Listen, they're not the professionals. I made a decision in my mind not to listen to people who aren't professionals because this company has professionals that actually made it happen. They made it happen. You hear so many times that bankruptcy got to stay on for 7 to 10 years. Listen, they make it happen. The difference is results. That's what separates this company. That's what separates these services from anybody else. Results. I receive results, people. Results. That's all that matters. Results. I want to do some things that my credit score, that 478, wouldn't allow me to do nothing. What was I going to do with a 478 credit score? What was I going to do? Nothing at all whatsoever. Now I could go do whatever I want. Financial worthy, financial literate. And it's just amazing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. These services has changed my life. It will change you guys' life. It will. It will. Like those loans, those medical bills, those light bills. In a little over 2 months, it was a game changer. A game changer. So it's time. It's time for those who are already with the service. And listen, watch. I can't wait to see you guys' results. I can't wait to see the results. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, right? For those who don't have the service, listen. Get back with the person who invited you to the group and say, "Hey, I'm ready. I'm ready right now to become credit worthy. I'm ready right now to position myself so I'll be able to make the purchases I want and not the purchases that are based on my low credit score." Get back with the person that invited you to this group. The time is now. Credit is needed. I wasn't taught how to balance a checkbook. I wasn't taught about asset allocation. That wasn't a conversation in my home. We didn't have those conversations. We was taught, hey, listen, you can't take it with you when you die. That's what I was taught. You can't take it with you when you die. But what are you going to leave for your family? What are you going to leave for your family? That mindset that I had growing up, I got money and I spent money. I got paid and I spent it. Now, with these services, I'm able to save money, show me how to budget. All that new year, new me that I did every year in December, it didn't matter. But now, learning how to properly save and budget, credit on point, identity theft on point, so I ain't got to worry about being a victim of that. It's just a blessing, people. It's just a blessing. It's a blessing. Listen, the time is now. You got to make a choice. The time is now. Become credit worthy. Credit worthy. I want everyone to put in the comments, I will become credit worthy. Get a sheet of paper, write it down also. I will become credit worthy. Get you a whiteboard, write it down. I will become credit worthy. Get up. I'm a firm believer in affirmations. After I seen what this company could do, when you wake up in the morning, look yourself in the mirror, after you wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, look yourself in the mirror in the face and say, I will become credit worthy. The time is now. Get back with the person who invited you to this group. 2020 is your year. Go get it. Peace and blessings. Prosperity to everyone. Credit worthy. I will become credit worthy. See you guys.